It's so tight! Wait for it! Yo! 30 minutes ago I had no idea what was coming. So the plan was simple, quick swim, then straight to the bat cave. That was the idea, but out of nowhere my girl just takes off into the jungle. We go now? It's gonna be hard with GoPro. I'm just going. God damn. I feel like the road down is gonna be What happened?
Be careful with that one.
Huh? Ah, the water monitor. Ah, it's chill. Like the sand is freaking hot. What the hell is this shit here? No? It's tight fit, tight screen. Oh. Careful, careful. This is a bad cave, freaking insane. But the crazy thing, yeah, I got the GoPro, I have the naked feet. Shit's wild. We go? Okay, go. Damn. Oh. What the hell is this shit?
Okay.
It's okay, yeah. A little sketchy, but it's all good. Oh, that's tight. Stairs kind of tight there, no?
Yeah, it's tight. Down is the worst.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, easily will be fucked up. But that, when I go down, I probably will put the GoPro like with my dick and shit, cause like I need both hands for sure after. We're not even done climbing. We still gotta climb. All right, so there we go. Let's go. Crazy, no?
Nice view.
Nice view there. On that side, yeah?
Yeah, you can go and you come out of a cave.
Oh, okay.
It's really dangerous.
Yeah, you think? Oh, okay.
This is dangerous.
Oh, this is a kid cave. Yeah. Wait, you went before on that way or no?
No, we haven't been there.
You didn't go down there, right?
No, not down there.
Ah, so you went there, right? Because there's also a road down there, but like looked hella sketch. I'm not sure if I want to do it. Like, so yeah, like, but you can take a look.
You should go there and see.
Yeah. Damn. You here?
Yes.
Oh. This is the moment my GoPro battery died. My girlfriend suggested redoing the entire climb just to take pictures on her phone. I threatened to break up if I had to climb it again, so we chose the hotel instead.